Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube right now. Hello everyone, hi. Stop. Oh my god. Hi everyone, oh my god, hi. Okay, just breathe. Welcome back to my YouTube. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm wearing no makeup, but I'm literally so excited because I'm about to do a full face of SHEIN makeup. I spent about $60 on Glam. I got pretty much anything that you need to do like your full face. So I'm going to be doing my full face in SHEIN makeup. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and also like this video.
I am so serious.
Like this video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna just do my makeup how I normally do. I usually start with my eyebrows, and I got an eyebrow shaping wax. Oh wow, I'm like feeling it now, and it actually does feel like the consistency that I like. It's like not too hard, but it's also like not too soft. It's like right in between. I have like over plucked my eyebrows a lot. I think that that's not something that people should be shamed for. A lot of people do it, and sometimes people's eyebrows don't grow back that fast. Next, I'm going to be doing the Skinny Brow Pencil in dark brown. Okay, so this is the spoolie side. Honestly, this is like very handy to have. Okay, so it is like a very like little, is it like, it's kind of like hard, but not. Okay, like I do feel like the color is like a little bit too like brown. Maybe I should have done a more ash brown. I don't know. I've just been really having issues with my eyebrows lately and like drawing them on. It's like I can just never get them right. No, it does. It just looks like my eyebrows are like completely different shapes. Honestly, I feel like it actually looks pretty good on, but I just wish it weren't like, I wish it were more black. Now that I have my eyebrows on, I feel so much better. I hate not having my eyebrows drawn on. Like, I felt like I looked like Voldemort. So now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. This 2-in-1 eyeliner. Look at this. Like, I saw this and I was like, wow, I have to try this. It has an erasable tip, is what it says. And I'm like, what? This tip is interesting. You know, it's like a good consistency for sure. This little eraser thing in it, like it seems like it's basically like, you know, like some sort of like makeup remover, but the way it is in the tip makes it like kind of easy to be like precise. I'll finish my eyeliner once I get the rest of my eyeshadow on. So this is the eyeshadow primer. If I can get it open. Good. Ah! Okay, I got it. Oh, and it comes on like this stick thing. That seems like okay. I don't know. I don't really use eyeshadow primers. I'm just not a big eyeshadow girl. I don't do a lot of eyeshadow. It like blends in really well. It looks, you know, it looks like there's nothing there really. Okay, this is the eyeshadow palette that I got. Doesn't that look so pretty? This is the Sagittarius palette, which I actually am a Sagittarius, so oh wow, it's so cute. I'm gonna do like this wild and free, like kind of like in my eyelid. Oh my god. Oh my god. I honestly love that. I do. Oh my god, I love that. Just like this like hint of blue shimmer in like my corners is going to be so cute. I'm dying. Let me do like this on my eyelid as well. It does seem like that eyeshadow primer is really making it kind of pop too. I'm gonna do a darker color in my corners. I'm gonna do like a mix of Explorer and Wanderlust. Oh my god. Wow. I honestly love it. I'm gonna turn on this light for a second just so I can see it better. Like, oh my god. Like, honestly, I love this palette. Like, I kind of feel sick by how much I like this makeup so far. Aren't you, like, dying? Look at that. Oh my god. Look at it. I'm gonna do, like, some of the Risk Taker on my lower lid. I'm gonna just finish drawing in my eyeliner now. I'm not big on the shape of this eyeliner tool. Like, I usually just like something with more of a point. It looks about like how my eyeliner normally looks, right? I like to do like my liquid eyeliner and then apply like a cream eyeliner over it. It has like this little sharpener that comes out to make the tip pointy. Yeah, it goes on like very smooth. I'm just saying, of course, like all of those other makeup artists who have makeup lines are gonna act like the SHEIN line is totally garbage shit because they don't want to compete with stuff that's like a fraction of the price but literally the same shit. This is like this color that I got. You know how like the white eyeliner's been really in? It's the Color Crush Glam liquid eyeliner. And I got it in the white Call Your Mom color. Look how well it goes on, but it is like a liquid. I feel like I f***ed it up. No, I don't know. I think it's kind of, like, it kind of looks good, right? Oh my god, like, honestly, I really love this like, I really am surprised with this product. Like I said, I feel like I want it in every color. I'm just worried it runs out fast. Okay, next I'm gonna do the Birthday Skin Primer. I like a primer that's like really like liquidy, I guess. Oh wow, it's like white. I thought it was gonna be like clear. Girl, do you think I used too much? No, you're supposed to blend it in. Whenever I first put it on, I was like, oh, this is gonna leave an awful residue. But now that I've like blended it in a little bit, I feel like it actually won't. Ingredients: water, cyclopentesiloxane, dimethicone, cross-polymer, propanediol, peg 10 dimethyl. Oh my god, I can't say like any of these words. I'm like, I don't care. It feels like a moisturizer. Okay, the hydrating foundation. I always get foundation in a little bit too dark of a color probably because I like to pretend that I'm tan. It looks more yellow on my camera because of saturation, but this is like about the consistency that I feel I like, honestly. Like I like a very like liquidy foundation. Wow, right? I kind of do feel like it leaves like kind of like a bit of a film, but not like the worst that I've had. I don't know how to feel about it. Like I feel like I'll know how to feel about it in like an hour. I'm gonna do the concealer, which I got the concealer in like a lighter color. I got it in whipped cream. I feel like this concealer is what I'm almost like the most concerned about. Okay, yeah, I feel like it's a little thick for me. Like I wish it like glided on a little easier. Like definitely a beauty blender would be useful for me right now, but like I said, I'm too lazy to go and get one. I don't know how to feel about it. I don't know if I like it or if I dislike it yet. Okay, this is the contour thing that I got. Sun Sculpt Liquid Contour in Golden Sun. Okay, that's interesting. So it's like you dip this in there, kind of. This smells good. I like this liquid contour. I do. Like, I usually do a powder, but I'm always looking for like a good liquid. And then this other, it's like the same thing but in blush. I got it in Love Cake. I feel like I definitely did too much. I'm gonna put a little bit of concealer again because I feel like I overdid that. I usually don't do a blush, but I do like the contour. I like the liquid contour, and the contour is like the same as the liquid blush, so. This is a Mousse highlighter. I just wanted to add like a bit of I've been wanting a highlighter. Okay, yeah, it's got like a very like soft, I don't know how well you'll be able to see it on camera. You can kind of see the highlight Okay, and then I do my lips. This is just a hydrating lip oil. I like to do like an oil before I do like my lipstick. It doesn't have a taste, but it has a smell. It has like a good consistency. It's not like too oily. Okay, and then I got the lip liner lipstick duo in Deep Caramel. I am obsessed with lipstick and lip liner. Trying to find the right shade of lip liner can just be, or lipstick can just be like such a task. So I'm really excited to see how I feel about this. I have so many like lipsticks and lip liners that I just am like, oh, I don't like the color of this, so I stopped using them. So it's like really dark, like it looks almost brown, which I feel like sometimes for like lip liners, it's just like they look completely different on, and then it has like this kind of like lighter color. I wish this color had like a little bit more of like a violet, like a purple to it. I feel like it's a fine lipstick lip liner, but I feel like it just doesn't match the rest of the look. Like I wish it had more of like a purple tone to it. So yeah, like the color, I don't know, maybe I should have got, but all of these colors kind of look the same. Maybe I should have got the soft chai. I was just worried it wouldn't be dark enough. I got the translucent powder to kind of like just set the makeup, you know. I feel like there's not that much to say about it. It's just like a powder. Oop. So I'm just like kind of tapping it all over. I really need to use it on my chest because like you guys said, it's like my chest is like red and now my face is like white. I don't think that I look pale, do I? Wait, where's my mascara? Wait, did I not get mascara? Tutorial ruined. Refreshing press setting spray for $4.99. Smells like a vacation. Okay. Oh, it does have a good fragrance to it. Honestly, what do you guys think though? My final review of the SHEIN makeup line is, I am honestly really just taken aback. I am surprised by how much I like some of the products. I feel like a lot of the other makeup influencers will probably lie and say that it's awful because they don't want to compete with them basically selling the same shit for a fraction of the price. I would say my top products that I like the most, I really love the eyeshadow. Like the pigment on the eyeshadow was honestly so good, and that was like $6.50 for that eyeshadow palette, and they had them in like a bunch of other colors, and I definitely want to look into that. I really like this white eyeliner. It says that it's like a liquid eyeliner, but it still has like a more of like a creaminess to it than a liquid, and I've just like never had a white eyeliner show up so well. I wasn't expecting to like some of the products so much. Like I'll definitely continue using a lot of these products in my normal makeup routine. This isn't an ad. This isn't an ad. I'm not like trying to do an ad or anything. I'm just saying like some of these products for how cheap they are, it's like really, I don't know. I'm really curious to know what you guys think too, so be sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried the products before or other SHEIN products that you've tried and what you thought of them. And be sure to like this video if you enjoyed and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all for the next video. Thank you so much for watching.